Lasfit bulbs, Switchback H11 fog lights. Really nice packaging. Stickers, manual, and then here all aluminum. Feel super solid. Really nice. And they should install very easily. Okay, now to get at the fog lights on the Kia Sorento 2017 EX, there are 3 tabs. Pop, pop, pop. You can pry this out, revealing the bulb. You just super easy to get in here on the Kia Sorento. There are 3 tabs you pop. 1, 2, 3. This pulls loose, giving you access in here to the headlights. Now all you do, grab the bulb, twist left, grab your bulb, twist, pull it out, reinsert. Really hard to keep this open, but it's as simple as pulling it out and putting it right back in the exact same way you got your bulb out. The clip, it's exactly the same. When you unclip your halogen, you clip right back to the same harness. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Twist, turn, pull out, twist, turn, push in, and you're done. You see you want it lined up in 9 and 3, straight up and down. So the LEDs are facing out both sides. As well as I put a dab of dielectric grease on the female connector on the wiring harness before I plug these in, as the fog light area is not completely sealed off. It's a little dirty, so never a bad idea to help extend the life of the bulbs. Okay, here you can see Lasfit Switchback H11 fog lights on the left, the old halogens on the right. Identical beam pattern here, exactly the same cutoff, same height. See on the ground. Aimed exactly the same. Getting a lot more brightness from those. Those look great. Here are the Lasfit switchbacks. Yeah, that's nice.
Continuous recording will now start. GPS connected.
Yeah, those look great. Pretty even beam pattern. It's the same as the halogens basically. Just brighter. Really nice.
Manual recording will now start.
Here's the low beam. Oxido switchback fogs on. The amount of extra light that comes out is crazy. The yellows.
Manual recording will now start.
Alright, so this is just with the low beams on, pretty bright. As soon as we get past this light, I'll turn on the fogs. Wow. Yeah. Switch to yellow. Yeah, that's impressive. Back to the whites.